graduation. Today is our graduation day.
Cap. A small black graduation cap.
Diploma. You did a great job.
Certificate. I have a magic certificate.
Proud. I am so proud of you.
Happy. We are all very happy.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher, thank you for everything, teacher.
Hooray! Hooray!
We did it!
Friends, we are friends, friends forever.
Stage. The musical stage is ready.
Welcome to our grand finale! Music! Let the music play!
Red, blue, yellow.
Colors! I love all the colors!
Shapes. Round and square shapes. Seasons. 4 beautiful seasons. Petal. A rain of soft petals. Can you sing with me?
Sing! Sing! Sing along with us. Circle. A big circle of love. Piano. Listen to the sweet piano.
Drum! Boom! Boom! The drum!
Flute. A sweet bamboo.
Magic. The forest is full of magic.
Down! Coming down to see you.
Kiss. A big kiss for you.
Thank you for watching.
Adventure. A new adventure is waiting. Horizon. Where the sky meets the land. Future. Looking at the bright future.
Goodbye. It is time to say goodbye.
It is a wonderful world.
I love you. Love, love. I love you all.
Memories. Beautiful forest memories.
Question. Did you enjoy the trip?
Sunset. The sun is going down. Don't forget me. Remember. Always remember me.
Book. Close the magic book. Melody. A sweet and happy melody.
Good night, my dear forest.
Smile.
Keep on smiling.
Together, we are together forever.
Wish. Make a wish upon a star. Peace. Peace to everyone.
See you again.
See you. See you again soon.
Beginning a happy new beginning.
Hug.
A big and warm hug.
Smart. You are very smart. Smart.
Brave. You are very brave.
You are kind. Kind. You are very kind.
Universe. Our beautiful universe.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now.
Friend. You are my best friend. Dream. Follow your dream.
Hope. Hope.
Never lose your hope. One more thing. Surprise. A surprise is coming.
Baby. A new baby bird.
Teach. I will teach you. Say it with me. New. A new adventure begins.
Fly, fly together in the sky.
Welcome. Welcome to our family.
Learn. Learning English is fun.
Laugh, laugh and be happy.
The end is just a beginning.
End. End. This is the end of our book.
Part 2. See you in part 2.
Family. We are one big family.
Credits. Created for you with love.
Blink. I blink my eyes. Title: The Adventures of the Green Bird.
Song, a sweet farewell song. Cloud, flying into the clouds. Keep learning, learning. Study. Keep on studying English.
Wave, wave goodbye, friends.
Art. Life is a work of art.
The end. Thank you for everything.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Wai.